so today we're gonna tackle this bedroom. This is a complete disaster in here, okay? So I came back from traveling over the winter break and I just immediately started tackling the living space and the closet and all that, so my room kind of fell by the wayside. I can't take it anymore, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm actually change my linen today. Usually I do this on Sunday, but today is Friday. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle it and get it out the way. So first thing first, change my bed, get the bed made, and then we'll tackle the rest of this. Come join me as we clean my master bedroom. Here is what we're starting out with in the bedroom. Here, this is actually clean linen. This is the new sheets and stuff and my robe mixed in there that I need to clean up. I finally need to get this empty luggage out of here and place back where it was at. Get this stuff from when we was traveling that's been sitting here for the last couple of days or week almost. Just get, most of this stuff is from when we traveled and I was using it and I didn't put it up. So, you know, that's a no-no. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with this mirrored box. I love it so much, but I'm not quite sure. And this is everything of how it's looking. I want to finish my bench over here. I have fabric. It's clothes that needs to be picked up. So it's just a hot mess. So let's start. Let's do this. I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started the fight. We came to an end, I put up this fence. But do you really mean that this is the end? 1, 2, 3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you. Year by year, out of silence. No, I hope this is a phase that you were just dramatic, that we still could be good, that our love is elastic. I'll make this right if you give me a chance. Oh, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when you started. Okay, so I finally am gonna tackle this. I've laid this fabric on this bench so I could okay, this is the fabric I'm going to recover the bench with. I just never got around to it, but today is the day. Look at how beautiful. You can see the sheen here is a really nice heavy duty. This is how it looks on the back. So I want to go ahead and get this down and stapled and cut off the excess because I have quite a bit. I got so much yardage that I didn't know how much I was going to use. So I want to get this completed. I bought this staple gun from Lowe's. You see, it's never even been open. I bought this like almost a month ago.
3 years of silence. Then 4, 5, 6, still nothing. When my hair gets gray and I lose my shape, I'd still be missing you.
Okay, I'm finished. This is the best I could do. This took way more time than I was anticipating, but it's here. It's not perfect, but it's perfect. It's just sitting here in my room. It's nothing extravagant. So now I'm just gonna, because those corners is what is so tricky. This right here is super tricky. But we're gonna just disguise that. See, makes it already look super cute. Just put that there. Throw some pillows on here. Okay, so this is what it's going to be. My next project will be figuring out this. I'm not taking no more time on it. I need to get this room clean so I can move on. But just style this stuff. I mean, you can't just let this stuff stress you out. Come on, life's too short. That's cute. Throw that little gray. Alright, there you have it. There you have it. There you have it. So a mess here from that. It's like staples and fabric that I cut. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep and get this up and vacuum, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the bathroom. I'm back. I let my camera charge and I went and had lunch. I had a chicken wrap with some avocado. So yummy. So now I'm just gonna finish up. I'm gonna tackle this bathroom and we will be done with this master bedroom. But this is why the battery is charging before I had lunch. I wiped down the nightstands, and this little stand is so functional, but I am just over it. It's so large, but it works so well, like if I'm in a bed on a laptop or trying to edit or something like that. And if I just this stand is very, very functional if I am in the bed, I'm editing or something like that, but it just takes up so much room. But right now I just have it tucked away in this little corner. But if I fall asleep or something like that, I don't have to worry about my laptop ending up on the floor. It's adjustable to the bed. It's angled. It's really perfect. But like I said, it takes a lot of room and space. But nonetheless, it's over there in the corner. And I have like magazines that I look at night, like Z Gallery magazines and all that. Dresser is wiped down. The carpet is vacuumed. I think that's about it in the room. Everything else is coming along. As you see, I added a sheer up here. It looks so good over there with the curtains. Yeah, so I got those shears from IKEA. I think it was like $8 for 2.
I wasn't clear. No, it hurt you, but I still care. No, I miss you laying near. Did you wrong and it wasn't fair. If I could go back, then I would treat you better. If I could just change my words like in a letter. I did some things, but I wasn't clear. No, I did it wrong and you did it right. Yeah, that's what you said when
I'm gonna see how I like this new toilet wand. I got it out of Walmart. I was in need of a new toilet brush, so I thought I'll give this a try. But I will still invest in another toilet brush just in case. What if you run out of these? Like, and then do you not clean your toilet when you don't have these? Like, I cannot not clean my toilet. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these a go and see if I like them. Take the whole little stand out. But what if you guys run out of them? Do you not? That's what my only question will be. Like, if you haven't made it to the store and restocked on them, then you'll be without cleaning your toilet, and I cannot do that. I'm not sure even how this little thing go. Okay. Maybe I think I keep this in here. Look, I'm learning all this stuff, but I'm gonna give it a go and see how I like and see if it cleans the toilet. Well, it definitely feels different than having a brush go around the, I don't know. It's definitely something you have to get used to just because of the way it's made. I don't see any cons with it, but like I said, just if you run out of it, you will be stuck without washing your toilet until you get it. And I wash my toilet pretty frequently, like daily or even every other day. So I will go through these super quick, and that can get pricey really fast. So this would be good to use occasionally, but I'm going to still use my toilet brush in between cleans, if that makes sense. A mop, because I was tired of using the Swiffers as well. So I'm going to see if I can transition and use a regular mop in between using Swiffers, because again, that can get pricey. And sometimes I can't find the extra large Swiffer pads. I just found it difficult to find those extra large Swiffer pads. So I'm just going to use a mop in between so I won't use as many Swiffer pads. But anyways, I'm using some good old Pine Sol. First time for me to use my mop in my bedroom. I think I'm gonna stick to the Swiffer. I think this is holding a little bit too much water in the mop. So Swiffer would definitely be for my bedroom and bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this scarf down because I know I'm gonna probably get some questions in the comments regarding the scarf. Because the last time I had a hair wrap on, I had quite a bit of questions. So this is just a regular scarf that I just shared with you. Came out of the black and white store. Alrighty. So it's pretty much folded in half because it's a pretty wide scarf like this. Okay, just a regular neck scarf. Let me see if I can tell you the material. 70% polyester, 20%, it's 70% polyester, 12% metallic, and 18% viscose. Alright, so that's the material on it. I had this on the other day and my mom asked how did I put that on my head as well, so I figured somebody else would ask the same thing. Alrighty, so I take the scarf and I place it, and this is my interpretation of a turban. I don't like the turbans that has that big old knot stuck in the front. That's just not my style. To each his own, but this is my interpretation of that same thing. So this is my turban per se. Alrighty, so I put this on my head like this, and this is how the back is looking, like that. Alright, I'm going to take this little end and hold it by my ear. Take the longer end, and as I'm going, I'm going to give it a good few twists as I'm going around. Alright? I'm just giving it some light twist and then have it go all the way around my head. Alrighty, so now that we have this little end, I'm going to cross them over a little bit. Still with the longer one, I'm going to take it, and now that I have it, I'm going to tuck it under just to give it a little more, you know. Now, I'm going to come back to that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and adjust everything. This is the end. This is a tag. Just make sure it's not showing. Sometimes I take them off, sometimes I don't. But I'm just twisting it, and I'm going to just tuck it under like that. Alright? And then I'm just adjusting. I don't want that to be sticking up too much, so I'll just fold it and manipulate it just like that. right here I wanted a few more turns, so I'm just going to twist it. Alright, now coming back around with the longer piece right here. Sometimes I will put it across to give it some more definition as well. So I could just take it and put it to the back, like tuck it in and be finished, but I just want to have a little more you know, a little more intricate detail or whatever. So I just put it over. So basically, only thing I'm doing is twisting and tucking. And this is what I'm getting. Hold on, let me take it back. And go ahead and tuck it. And so this is my, I guess it went on down. So, you know, every time you put it on, it's going to be a bit different. So this is my interpretation of a turban. Like right here, I don't like that sticking up, but I would just pull it down and just tuck it away until you get it in like here. I don't like that sticking out, so, you know, just keep manipulating it until you get it the way you like it. But you can do this with any scarf. I love using neck scarves or infinity scarves and all that stuff. So, and oh, can you see it in the back? And this is how it looks in the back. So, you know, that is just something to put on your head if you're walking around, your hair not combed, but you still want to look somewhat decent, or you're cleaning like I am. And so you just wrap headscarves and just twist them about. Like right here, I will just keep, that's the fringe sticking out. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this clean with me, my master bathroom. And if you guys did enjoy this clean with me, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, make sure you click your bell. I thank you so very much for joining and rocking out with me on this beautiful video. I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye for now. Look at this. I love this when it sparkles.